or flooding. Be especially cautious. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern DeWitt County, eastern Bastrop County, Lee County, eastern Gonzales County, Fayette County, Lavaca County, until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rockdale to near Westhoff, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coyero, Gonzales, Yoakum, Giddings, LaGrange, Smithville, Schulenburg, Hallettsville, Shiner, Flatonia, Lexington, Moulton, Shelby, Wilder, Fayetteville, Dimebox, Round Top, Fedor, Sublime, and Muldoon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.